My name is David. I'm a student of an intermediate vocational training in computers and communication technology, and today I'm going to talk about my Erasmus experience. My host destination was Pafos, one of the most important cities in Cyprus. During my stay in Pafos, I had worked in a web development company, where I had done different activities, such as writing code and maintain a website. Thanks to the work that I have been doing, I have learned a lot of things about operating systems, web pages, and programming languages. After being 1 month in a computer company, I already know how this type of business are, and how the people work in this sector. In the time I was in Cyprus, I met a lot of people, and I needed to speak in English to communicate with them, the fact that made me improve my language skills. Erasmus has made me learn how to live far from my parents and coexist with other people in the same house. During my stay in Cyprus, I have improved my problem-solving skills and my social skills. Pafos is a beautiful city with many interesting places, so I took advantage of it to go sightseeing and enrich my knowledge. In Cyprus, I visited a lot of important places, such as museums, the city center of Pafos, the port, and historical points. This country has a Mediterranean gastronomy with delicious meals. Thanks to Erasmus, I have discovered a new culture, I have improved my language skills, and I've got started in the world of work at the same time that I've met new people and I've enjoyed new experiences. I really liked the experience, and I think that it's a great opportunity to grow as a person. I recommend it to everyone.